Question 8. A point H is 20 meters away from the foot of a tower on the same horizontal ground. From the point H, the angles of elevation of the point P on the tower and the top T of the tower are 30 degrees and 50 degrees respectively. Calculate correct to 3SF, A part of the question, PT. B, the distance between H and the top of the tower. C, the position of H if the angle of depression of H from the top of the tower is to be 40 degrees. Solution: you have this as the tower. Now one point is here, point H, and is at the same level with the tower, horizontal level. Now this is T. From the question, there is a point P on the tower. So the angle of elevation of H to this point P is 30 degrees, and from H to the top of the tower is 50 degrees. Now if this place is 30 and the whole of this place is 50, it means this remaining place must be 20 degrees, and the distance of the point H from the foot of the tower is 20 meters. So you have the diagram that represents the information. Now you are asked to find PT, that is from here to here. To do that, you need to get FT, the whole of the length, by considering triangle HFT, and you get PF by considering triangle HFP, so that PT is equal to FT minus PF. So let's consider triangle HFT. In that triangle, the whole angle is 50 degrees. So TF is opposite, HF is adjacent. So you have tan 50 degrees equal to TF over 20. If you make TF the subject, you have 20 times tan 50 degrees, which gives this, and when you multiply, you have 23.836 meters. In triangle HFP, we want to get PF now, so we are using angle 30 degrees, the same target. PF is opposite, adjacent is HF. So tan 30 degrees is equal to PF over 20. PF over 20. PF becomes 20 times tan 30 degrees, that is this, and you have 11.548 meters. Therefore, PT is equal to TF or FT, that is 23.839 minus PF, that is 11.548. If you subtract, you have 12.288. To 3SF, you have 12.3 meters as the length PT. B part of the question, the distance between H and the top of the tower. That distance is TH. So we have this part. This becomes, if we are considering this angle, here is hypotenuse, here is adjacent. So we have cos 50 degrees equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. If you cross multiply, you have this result. To get TH, divide through by cos 50 degrees, and you have TH to be equal to 20 degrees over cos 50 degrees, and that is this. If you divide and approximate to 3SF, you have 31.1 meters. C part of the question, the position of H if the angle of depression of H from the top of the tower is to be 40 degrees. So this is the top of the tower. If you have an observer here looking at point H, the angle formed with the eye level is the angle of depression 40 degrees. So we are to get the position of H from the foot of the tower, that is S. Considering that you solve for this, you solve for this in the first two parts. Alright, so we are looking for HF, and HF is denoted as S. So you have this as opposite and this is adjacent. Now, angle of depression is always equal to angle of elevation. So you have 40 degrees. So tan 40 degrees is equal to opposite FT over adjacent HF, and you have it in this form. If you multiply through by HF to clear the fraction, you have this result. You have to divide through by tan 40 degrees to get HF in this form, and that is this. If you divide, you have 28.4066 to 3SF. HF is approximately equal to 28.4 meters.